We're getting ready to go through the Dismal Swamp Canal, but first we have to enter the canal through a lock.
Okay, so we are in a lock. There's Carolyn doing lock stuff. And there's Angie, she's got to do lock stuff too, holding the lines. And there's a boat behind us and one in front. And they're closing the gates in behind us. Look at that. And the water's coming in. We're going up. So pull the rope in a little bit. That's good. Look at the turbulence in here.
Oh yeah, you're right.
You're doing perfect. You know that? Absolutely perfect. You're doing good, Angie. That's all you have to do. You just kind of hold it. Pull it down, it'll hold it easier for you. Look at that. Now you can see where we are. Grass up here.
There's even a squirrel.
What's that?
There's even a squirrel.
And then we're going to go up into this other section of the... We're almost up. We've got another couple of feet here. Turbulence has stopped pretty much. We're going to be up, probably up to that water line. And then he'll open the front gate and out we'll go. It should be pretty good.
The water here is brown due to the tannins from all the juniper trees in the swamp. Here we are. Welcome to North Carolina. Heading down the Dismal Swamp Canal.
Okay, so this is how we're navigating the Dismal Swamp. We've got Aqua Maps running over here on this chart plotter. And then over here we've got the side scan sonar, and you can see right off to the side of us there's a bunch of logs and things. I gotta be really. So we just got to keep the boat in the middle of the red path. And there you have it. You can see some more of the trees go by on the bottom. We're really worried about those sticking out into the main channel. If they've got big shadows, then they're off the bottom. Waters were going. And this is the view up, out of the top of the boat. We have to watch out for another dimension that you never think about when sailing a boat, and that is running the mast into the trees. You can see them going by up here on both sides. So it's a little tricky. And this is a view with the satellite imagery turned on, so we can see the trees, and you can see there's actually a highway off to the side over there and some buildings up ahead. And that's the view in front of us. We got a bridge up here they have to open, I think. There's a log in the water up front, some duckweed. Not a lot of duckweed, but there's some. And you can see the beautiful mirror reflection of the water as we're going along. And the strainer got clogged up in the canal. There's a little log floating in the water. Don't want to hit that kind of stuff. Right there, perfect. I couldn't see the lock. Come in the back where the rope is in case he wants that one first.
They call duckweed.
engineer's soundings here, and water depth's now at 14, so maybe they don't do it when it's deep enough. That's probably an entire tree down in the bottom. You can see all the logs and stumps over here off to the side of the channel sticking up. It's crazy. And this stuff over here on the sonar is pine trees that are in the water, right off to the side. You can see them right over there and right back there. They're actually in the water, growing. Right here, we can see the echo returns of the pine trees. Ain't that cool? Okay, you having fun today?
Yeah, actually, now that it's widened up a little bit, it's a little bit easier to navigate. So yeah, the locks were cool though. That's the first time we did locks ever. So hey, we're ready for the canal to Europe.
Okay, so we're coming up on Little Fork here in the river. And I think we go to the left. Goes up in there. And it goes this way. And then there's some more puzzling curves in front of us. And here we are, we're in the Dismal Swamp. Carolyn's driving us along. There's all the trees, swampy things. Saw some turtles. There might be one right over there. The big guy, he's on the log. Have to get a telephoto lens to get a good picture of it. Coming around a bend here. And this is pretty cool. This is in the Dismal Swamp. Kind of cool.
So we made it through the swamp and we ended up in Elizabeth City, North Carolina, which is known as the Harbor of Hospitality.